to my channel, Just Ria. I am Ria, and if you are new here, I hope that by the time you finish watching this video, you subscribe to the channel. And if you have already been around the block, welcome back to the vicinity of Just Ria. So, you guys, this video is going to be on making a vision board. So normally I don't even do vision boards. Normally I'm not even into that type of thing. I just do Pinterest. I do my Pinterest boards. That's what your girl usually do. But this year I am so into this year I've tapped into manifesting, and I am really manifesting my life. And I'm pushing that forward in 2022. So I definitely created a vision board. So that's the video that you guys are gonna see. It's already created, but I'm gonna show you, but I want you guys to see the making of, and then you will see the end towards the end. So thank you guys for tuning in. Let's get to making this vision board. Hey guys,
so today's video, if you cannot really tell, this is gonna be all about vision board for 2022. I normally don't do vision boards. I normally never believed in them. I used to do Pinterest boards and would make those my vision boards, but this time I want to do something different. I want to put my goals on something that I can see and make my reality. I'm wanting to manifest more for 2022 and throughout, so I'm starting with this. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. It is December 31st of 2021. So I am doing this video with the intention of putting it out on January 1st, 2022. So I'm trying to start the year off on a good productive note. So without further ado, I'm just going to get started. As you guys can see on my vision board, I have career, personal, and spiritual. So I'm just going to start placing things where I feel that they should go. So as far as personal, I'm definitely, this goes down here, wanting to own a home. So securing that mortgage, securing that contract for a home is definitely a goal of mine. A personal goal for 2022. I would like to have that completed well before 2022 is ended. So that is a goal. I also want to travel more. Plane, suitcase, world, travel around the world. I would say I'm probably not going to travel around the world just yet, but you know, it's in my plans to travel around the world. So traveling to someplace different would be a start. Car. This is on here for two reasons. I want to finish paying off my car, and I know this is going to sound so crazy, but actually trade it in and get the car that I actually want. So I'm going to put that right there. Okay. For career, there is a lot. I'm not going to glue this down. I'm going to tape it down. And I have my tape here. So that way when time comes, I can just take it off. Because this kind of goes into spiritual too. So I kind of wanted to cover both areas. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and put advancement. I want it to go kind of like right here. That's what this picture means, advancement. And I want to put it right there because it can kind of go for career and personal and spiritual. I just want to advance in my life, period. In all areas of my life. So we're just gonna put this here. Advancement. Urban Vibes Cosmetics. It's a story behind that, but as you guys know, I own my own cosmetics line. She's on a break for now, but she will be returning in 2022. So stay tuned. Also, what is this? Business office. I want to get a better business office and actually be doing business in it. You know what I'm saying? Like I want an actual business office, like office, like. So I'm gonna put that there. I don't want to cover up spiritual like that. So yeah, that's fine. Okay. So this is something that you guys don't know. So we're gonna do YouTube and money here. But first and foremost, okay, so I am in real estate school, so that's what's been taking up a lot of my time lately. And I want to get my real estate license in 2022. That's my plans, to take my real estate exam and to get my license so that I can be licensed in the state of Alabama to sell real estate. And then with that being said, I want to sell my first home in 2022. I know for some people, I've done a lot of research and watched a lot of videos. Some people, it takes them a while to sell their first home, but I am manifesting that I will sell my first home in 2022. Okay, I want to do YouTube. Well, I'm doing YouTube, but I want to be more consistent with it. I want to make more money with it. I want to I could just talk a lot about that area. I'm gonna put it right here. And then of course, make money. Who doesn't want to make money? I want the money bag. Right there. Okay, so now we're gonna move down to spiritual. I already have love and positivity down because that's just what I'm on. Love and positivity. I'm gonna put this sunflower right here. This sunflower means a lot to me in spirituality, so it's gonna go there. And for people who knows what this sunflower means, then you know why it's there. Hopefully this stays. Okay. Also meditation. I want to take more time out to meditate more. I do better when I meditate, and I need to spend more time doing it. So that is going to go there. And then I want to get more crystals, you guys. I have crystals already, but I want to get more and get more into them. I love them so much. Okay, so I have my pictures down, and now I'm going to move on to my stickers. So yeah, I don't even know why I tore that one off, but I don't know why I tore this one off either. Oh, new goals. So, okay, I want to take this up. Can I take it up without ripping it? Probably not, so I'm gonna leave it there. So I'm gonna put new goals here. Yeah, that looks fine. New goals is gonna go there because personally I do have new goals. I want plans to go here. Focus on is going to go right here. So we have a lot of space, so I'm going to fill it up with stickers. We're going to put so many plans right here. Oh, I know why I got these. It's because of the hearts. Just to make it all cute. Fill the space up, because otherwise it would be empty. As you guys can see, I have, oops, sorry guys, so much for career and not a lot of personal. Yes, it can. Ah. Very busy. I could have put so busy. All right, and I think this is filled up, but I'm gonna go down here and just selected these two women right here because I think they are so cute. Both of them remind me of me, how I would dress when I was natural with my hair permed. Like, I am loving it. So for one thing, I know for sure I'm going to do one day at a time. Hopefully I can take it off. Nope, I can't. We'll just leave it. Forget it. Let's do your best and forget the rest. Okay. Let's see. What else is it that I want to do? Oh, here we go. Current mood happy. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up and then I'm gonna bring the board back to you guys.
All right, guys, so just to give you guys a close-up look, this is my vision board. Yep, yeah, isn't cute? So as you guys can see, I have career, personal, and spiritual, and I filled the space with a bunch of positive words and stars, hearts, and just positive messages. And I am liking it, you guys. I can't even complain. It turned out great. At first I felt like I got the board too big, but actually it worked out really good. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it definitely is very cute. I even got my sunflower in there. Yay. So if you guys have any questions about my vision board, drop them in the comment section below. If you made it to this part of the video, I hope that you guys have given it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that button and subscribe, because we're gonna be dropping that content for 2022. And yeah, just why not? It's free. Just hit the button, okay? So yeah, and to let me know that you made it to this part of the video, I want to know what your #1 goal is for 2022, and drop it in the comment section below. So if it's weight loss, just put weight loss, or I don't put my #1 goal is, because then everybody's just gonna be like, my #1 goal is, without even watching the video. Just put weight loss, or if you plan to travel, put travel, or you know, save. Just put the word and I will know exactly what it means. Okay, happy new year, and may your 2022 be filled with nothing but blessings, positivity, and just an overflow of abundance. I'll see you guys later. Bye.